So today we are featuring this metal shingle roof. You have asphalt shingle roof as well, but this one is a metal shingle roof. So this is a part 2 of video where we talk about roofing companies, roofing contractor. So as you can see, these roof come in variety of bright colors and just about any color you like, color of preference. There are some questions asked. Are metal shingle worth it? If price is your sole consideration against a metal roof, it is not worth it. Simply mean the metal roof gotta cost more. So if you're worrying about price, then it gotta cost more. So you might be say it don't worth it. You pay more for a metal roof than most other material option, and the payoff is great look, high performance roof that likely won't require repair or replacement for up towards 50 years. So the advantage of the metal roof shingle can last up to 50 years. How long does metal roof last? Between 40 to 70 years. The average metal roof will last between 40 to 70 years. Some material like copper roof, that's a different segment of roofing, will last even longer. With some copper roof dated back over 100 years. There are also number of factors that consider to increase long lasting of your roof as well as increase it. So based on how you treat the roof and thing, all of these things give your roof long life. Does metal roof increase home value? While there are cheaper options and making and marketing metal, roof offer performance, protection, and more rugged option versus asphalt. Metal roof increase your home value by 60%. Our metal roof safe for lightning. A metal roof can protect your home from both the heat of the lightning strike and electrical current because of its non-combustible natural. A metal roof can be protect your home from lightning damage better than other building material. So there's a lot of things to know and think about when you're going to do these things. So I'm just giving some information here. So all you have to do is just listen and think. Can you walk on a metal roof? Alright, metal roof can be walked, but homeowners should not retain from doing so for a safety reason. If the contractor does need to walk on the roofs, they should practice sound safe protection and follow the safety precaution. So metal shingle roof versus asphalt shingle roof. So we are talking about the metal. This is a metal shingle roof. As you can see around in this community, we're just showing around to show you how the metal shingle roof stand out. So when you look around from near or far, as you can see way back, that's a different, that's the other metal roof I do before. So even from a far view, you still can see. So these roofs have proved that they stand out over the others. So when doing a roof, you can choose wisely. Make your decision, what type of roof, what color roof, what shape roof to use. So this is a part 2 of roofing companies, roofing contractor, commercial roofing. So if you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. So you can just sit back and relax and watch the rest of the video.